Start next to them, always, whether it's a beast start or an open water start. And what we want to do is take off, and a board short means when we're swimming, I'm going to be sitting about here. So he kicks off a wake, and they create a wave here that you'll feel it when we do it. That makes swimming so much easier. Because the dilemma you have when you sit on feet is that those bubbles have a lot of air in it. If we're relying on those bubbles for our catch, and we're not flexible superhuman beings anyway, because we're not great swimmers, we lose all of our catch through those bubbles, and we catch very, very late. So this is much more effective at the start. And the great thing it does is the person who's leading feels like they're wearing board shorts, because we slow them down, and the person so it's horrible for them, and it's fantastic for us. So we'll do a drill, or we'll do a set. We'll break up into groups of three. I'm going to show you where you sit. Benny's going to lead, and I'll show you how you sit. Ben's a better swimmer than me. I would position myself in the swim in about this position after the start. So I'm sitting just off his arms. I'm in board shorts. Think about being board shorts. And I'm breathing in, looking at Ben, so I know where he is. I want to stay as close as possible. And you'll see. I'll show you. We're going to practice it. Ready, Ben? You don't get into the water, what tends to happen is you become the victim, right? And you've got to not be the victim in a swim, you know? And the best way to do that is everybody's apprehensive. I mean, everybody, except that group that's up the front, you're not going to see. But everyone around you is nervous. So if you bump people, they're going to move out of your way. So make sure you're not the victim, you know? So if I want to slow down Ben, he's not where I want him to be. Stop him. he's not my problem. Yeah, he's not the problem. I'm trying to upset the apple cart for him to make sure I can get through this swim as easy as possible. So from the board shorting position, when the stronger swimmer ultimately breaks you, the next position to move to is the feet. Okay? So give you two options. So that way you nurse yourself through half of the swim on someone else's momentum, and that's the key. The swim's important that we're triathletes, we're not swimmers. The overall time is what matters, and we need to keep our energy levels even. So the worst thing we can possibly do is go out, pull at a gate, throw a lot of lactate in the blood. We can't get rid of that lactate until our heart rate drops down, so it ruins our day. So I'm going to break this up into groups of three, and we're going to do sets of 50. And I want the two people to sit either side. One person's going to lead us, and two people are going to sit either side of that person, and we're going to board short them. We try and make sure that we're about the same level of ability. And I want the person at the front to try and drop the two people. And I want you to feel, that person at the front should feel those people like they're dragging the bank, and the two people sitting either side should feel about how much easier it is to sit on those hips. Does that make sense? We're getting groups of three.